This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all. This is. Hang on 1 second. Bear with me a moment. Let's prepare the Zoom audio. All right, this is Jack from Charting the Market Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for Friday, the 16th of August. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, the big news today is obviously that we have seen a breakdown on this head and shoulders that I've been following all week on Solana. We didn't go with the double bottom option, which I was thinking actually wasn't a bad looking option, but we've broken down, and if we can make a lower low with any confidence, then chances are we've got a pretty good chance of getting down to this target here in the 119 area. So we will see how that goes. I think in terms of are there flag options here? Yeah, there are. And the one I'm most looking at here is Bitcoin, where we've got this beautiful possible flag support trend line, and I'm wondering whether that might hold. Now, obviously, that could break today. We will see, but at the moment, it's not showing any signs of breaking. I am wondering if the Solana retest of the low, which looks as like it's likely to be coming, might just be a retest of the low before it heads higher. We will see. But I think overall could be a flag here, but it's nice looking head and shoulders. It's broken down, and I'm watching with great interest to see whether it's going to make target. If we see a nice rally here, a break over 152.17 would fail it. In terms of the hourly charts, no current divergence worth the mention. Obviously, clear break below the head and shoulders. In terms of the daily charts, the obvious big resistance is the daily middle band at 153.69, and obviously that's now a pretty good match with the 152.17, which is the level it would need to reach with the to fail the head and shoulders. So really, we've got that 152, 153 level. That is main resistance on Solana at the moment. Looking at Bitcoin, we've got the daily middle band there, and I've got that at 6691. On the hourly chart, no current divergence worth the mention. We had a little buy signal there, which has long since made target, but I am definitely thinking this could well be a bull flag, and as you can see, we've got this beautiful support trend line here. Now, this is very like the trend line that I pointed out on the SPX chart at the low as a possible flag support trend line, and again, this may well be a flag support trend line here. Looking at Ethereum, we've got the daily middle band now at 2791. And again, that is main resistance. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. Nice looking double top here, which is not broken down. I've got the support for that at the 25 1080 area, and I've got we've reached the 50 25 16 area. Okay, close-up look at that here. I've got to say, there were a couple of people. Like yesterday, Peter Brandt was posting this as an upside down, saying this was looking pretty bearish. It's a nice bearish setup, no question about it. Not saying it's going to play out. He was saying this was suggesting this was going to be heading back into this low, and that is a possibility here. Wouldn't say it's necessarily the more likely option, but it is definitely a possibility. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. There's no questions. Everyone take care. And everyone have a great weekend.